What's up, folks? AJ the CEO here, and we got ourselves something else new to play with, the brand new Elgato Key Light Mini. I am adding this to my setup so I can have some better lights looking down when I'm doing unboxings, but this also looks to work well with a camera or with mobile devices. So let's open it up, see what's inside, hook it up to the system, and play around with it. So let's go. Alrighty, folks, let's go ahead and crack it open, see what's inside. I would hope it would be a light. This is, I don't know when this came out, but it is going for right at $99. I will put the specs up of what it can do. It is able to be controlled through the software. So this has Wi-Fi built into it, so it can connect to your network. Now, all the other lights that I have that I'm using right now, except for the RGB that you see on my desk, the blue one actually behind the TV, that's actually an Elgato light strip as well too. All of those are Wi-Fi. So the intention for me is to add this to my setup for this top down that you're looking at right now to enhance the light, and I can control all of it at the same time. So nice little booklet here telling you how to get everything done. Has a battery built into it, obviously, for the charging. Let's see. Very, very small. If I compare this to my Sony camera, a little bit bigger than that. All right, got that. Let's see what else is under here. Interesting USB right angle, almost like a 180-degree angle cable here. I'm assuming because of the angle that the bottom is, the jack is on the bottom somewhere. Or on the side, actually. You can see it right there. Mount just at the bottom. That's the only location a mount is. So if you hook this up, do something like that. And that's it. Doesn't come with a plug or anything like that. So I guess they're assuming by now you got tons of USB devices and everything like that. Let me plug it up here. And let's turn it on. Alrighty. Now I'm going to be holding this up about like this high, but I already have a light on right now. So let's see. I'm going to turn this light off and let's see how bright this gets. So the light is away from the desk, and I'm now at the level where my camera is. I wonder if we turn up the intensity. All right, looks like that's the brightest intensity right there. And honestly, that's not bad. That's not bad. Let's turn this off. And let's go ahead and go over to the desktop and let's see about getting it connected to our network, shall we? Alrighty, sorry about this. I don't have a way to connect my phone directly here since I don't have Wi-Fi on my computer, so I can add this. So this is the Elgato app that I have. Let's go ahead and add a new accessory. Yes, I want to give it permissions while using the app only. And as you can see, the Wi-Fi is on. All right, so let's go ahead and search now. Still nothing. Come on now. You see it. It's on, so I don't know. I should just do this over my computer, my laptop, that is. All right, so now it's blinking. Let's try it again. All right, there we go. We're going to connect here. Allow. What Wi-Fi am I going to put it on? I have all my stuff on a smart connection. Let me put in the password real quick, and we'll be right back. I've added it to my smart Wi-Fi. I put all my smart devices on. All right, it has been added. So now, let's go back to the desktop now, and let's see if it's showing up on the app. Alrighty, folks, as you can see, now the Mini is showing up here, and it looks like there's a firmware update. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we'll be back once it's done. Alrighty, so we are back now. Everything is updated. Let's check out the settings. We can come in here and change the name if we want to. We can identify it. So if I hold it up right here and it messes up my light here, let me see if I can put it in a way to where it doesn't affect my light. All right, so let's identify it. See, it's blinking there. Okay. All right, that's enough. Enable studio mode, bypass the battery. Okay, I guess that would be good if I didn't have it plugged in, like if I'm taking it on the go. But I'm sitting back thinking, why would I do that? I'm going to use it in the studio, so in a studio setting. So I'm wondering, you must be taking this with you like on your laptop and you're mobily out, which would require this to be connected. I don't know. I don't know how I would currently use that setting. But if I didn't have it plugged in, then I'm here, I can see me keeping it turned on. But I don't know. What else? When battery level falls below this, disable and turn it down. Okay. Keep that off. Advanced. Restore last settings. Firmware update. That's about it. All right. So now we have it here with all the rest of my lights here. And I can link this to my Stream Deck. So let's open that up. And that's the pedal. Let's switch this over to my regular Stream Deck. And right now, I have this functioning as turning on all my lights. And that's interesting. It's not showing the other one in here as an option to control. So let's go ahead and do this. Yeah, that's strange. I guess is this not updated either to show the new apps? That's strange. Because normally I have it set to turn on all of my lights, but it's not showing as an option for that under the Stream Deck. That's weird. Let's go ahead and just close the Stream Deck down and then open it back up. Maybe that would give us some more features. Maybe sync it across or whatever you want to call it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, still not showing. And the Stream Deck just crashed on me? Yes, it did. Oh, now it shows. That was weird. All right, so let's go ahead and make a button just for the Mini here. So now, if I turn this off with the button here, there we go. So let me mess my lights up real quick while doing this. Let's hit it back on. Cool. All right, now for me, my intention is when I'm doing type of videos is to mount this right above my overhead camera. So now when I turn on all my lights, like right now, if I turn all of these off right now with another button press, see now it turns off everything. But I have this one button set to turn on all my lights. So that'll be my light strips, and the one that's behind the TV, we turn that on. Now everything turns on. So that's cool. Now, again, I guess the other thing is this is meant that it's portable, obviously. It doesn't come with a mount, which is I really think is strange because they advertise this as a good pairing for mobile or kind of like my camera, something like this that you can mount here on the top. But it doesn't have a mount, so obviously you would need to get your own for that. That's, I guess, just making sure. Nope, it ain't nothing else in there. I would say that's the only one downside to it. But, I mean, those little mounts that you can get cold shoes for stuff like this is not very expensive. I actually have these adapters. Something like this is what I'm going to use for mine to mount it to my camera. And I'll have a link down below to these. So it was just a thread here with a little piston here, and then it will screw into the camera's mount so it can hang upside down. And then I'm most likely going to keep this plugged in so it's always charged. So that's why I was saying in my scenario, I don't think that would be too much of an issue. But anyway, that was it. That is the Elgato Key Light Mini. Significantly smaller than the other ones. I'll actually do an after photo showing size comparison. I have the original key lights, not the smaller ones, just to show you how much of a size difference they are. And from a brightness standpoint, for what I'm going to use this for, I think this is really good. So check them out. They're going for $100. I think the other ones are going for like $175. But they're significantly bigger, and obviously this one is more portable. But let me know if you have any other questions down below in the comments section. Also, there's a link down below if you want to get one yourself. They are available on all the major stores directly from Elgato, Amazon, BH Photo, all the other fun places where you buy your gadgets. I'm sure they're going to show up at Best Buy sooner or later, but you probably get them online faster than anything else. So if you like this type of content, appreciate a like, consider subscribing, hit that bell. That way you get notified when we come out with other videos to help modernize your media ministry. Thanks for watching, folks. This is AJ. We'll catch you on the next video. Later.